Hey guys, it's Corey and Tiffany.
We are the co-founders of Investor Life.
We show investors how to scale their portfolios using other people's money.
So today in this video, we're talking about the truth about OPM or other people's money. Does it actually exist? Are there these people out there that will give you their money and let you invest it in real estate and split profits? Yes? No? Is it a scam? Is it for real? Is it a pyramid scheme? Is it get rich quick? Does it exist? That's what we're talking about today.
No money down. Everybody talks about no money down and how you need to find real estate with no money down. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. We're going to talk about how that's possible today in this video.
So for those of you that don't know us, we were able to buy over 100 properties and we used under $30,000 of our own money. And the way we're able to do that was by using OPM. So that's how we know that it is a theory that can be done. It is a strategy that can be used. However, there are a few misconceptions that we wanted to go through today.
Here's the key about no money down. The key about it is, the difference is, it's not no money down. It is not your money that you're putting down.
Yeah. So it's not that there's no money down. There's money going down. It's just not yours. So that is the truth about OPM. So how does it work? We'll have another video on exactly how to structure splits and that sort of thing with your partners. But just in general, the idea is that two people come together that have different assets. Maybe one has experience, or maybe one has time, and the other one has money. Or maybe they have the experience, but don't want to do the work. So two partners come together. Let's say one is coming together to do all the work. The other one is coming together to bring the money to the table. You partner together, you buy a property together, and you split profits. That's what we did over 100 times.
So in the real estate investing world, that is usually called joint venturing. So if you've heard that term before, joint venturing, that's what we're talking about. And that's how we ended up buying our 100+ properties, was by joint venturing with other people that had the money. Because when we got started, we didn't have the money. We weren't able to qualify for mortgages. Yeah. So how did we do it? Well, we found people that could qualify for the mortgages. We found people that had the down payment money. We partnered with them. We did all of the work as far as buying the properties, renting out the properties, finding the tenants, doing the renovations, selling the properties in the end. Yeah. All of that work, that's what we did. And we joint ventured with people that had the money. That's how we bought over 100 properties using none of our own money.
So the truth about other people's money, yes, it does exist. It's not no money down though. That is very rare. Though, feel free to watch. We have another video called What is an Agreement for Sale? Feel free to watch that because that shows you how you can buy properties no money down. But in the meantime, what's more common is buying properties with other people's money, their money down.
So if you're wondering, how do I find these people that have the money? How do I find these joint venture partners that want to buy real estate but don't want to do any of the work? Join us in our group, Fearless Real Estate Investors on Facebook. That's where we teach this concept.
All right, and we'll see you in the next video.